Let's create 3D text in Photoshop. It's very easy. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Click on the adjustment icon and add a solid fill to the background, then confirm. On your keyboard, press the letter T to activate the text tool, as shown. From the text properties, choose a font, type your text, and confirm. Drag the text to the center of the canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Press Ctrl+T to activate transform controls. Use the down arrow and right arrow keys once each. Press Enter or Return to apply the changes. With the top text layer selected, hold Shift+Ctrl+Alt and keep pressing T to create multiple copies, as shown. Hold Shift and click the text layer to select all layers, making sure one layer remains below the others. Right-click and merge the layers. Then go to Layer Styles and apply a color overlay. Great! Now, drag and drop this layer behind the first one. Hold Ctrl and select the other layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Right-click and choose Skew. Use the transform controls to adjust the angle of the text as shown. That's it, guys! Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more awesome tutorials like this.